Experiencing nature is something special. Taking a walk does not only provide one with a good portion of fresh air, it also provides calming visual impressions, soothing sounds, and other pleasant stimuli like the soft touch of wind on the skin. But as generations pass by, our nature is getting destroyed, and it is because of the cruelty actions of us humans. That is why we need to make action to save a beautiful nature.
What are the ways to promote saving and conservation of our nature?
But first, let us know what conservation of nature is.
Environmental conservation is the protection and management of natural resources such as air, water, soil, plants, and animals.
Conservation seeks to maintain the integrity and the diversity of the ecosystems as well as the services they provide to human beings and the other living beings.
These are the examples of nature conservation.
Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too.
Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag, just like these.
To further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources.
I should throw this somewhere.
Wait, stop. You shouldn't throw it everywhere else. You should throw the trash properly because it could cause pollution and could harm our mother nature.
Okay. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. Trees help save energy, cleaning the air, and help combat climate change.
Together, let us help our Mother Nature to bring back its natural beauty.
Let us promote nature conservation.
Conservation of nature will be vital, essential, and important.
Conservation of nature will be vital, essential, and important.
Conservation of nature will be vital, essential, and important.
Help our Mother
Mother Nature.